Today, we're not going to JT 2 or something. We're going back and Twisted. The game that is actually meant for a couple professionals. Play. It's two. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, no, those are two different. Those are two different Tip 2s. This one's a classic, like before this one, and then when it got bought or abandoned, they bought it, I think. That's what happened. Nice. 1,000. No. No. Get out. I already have a Mexico jersey. You don't got no storms anywhere? No, we don't got any storms. No, she not working. Oh, my grandma was asking about Alexa. I'm watching South Park right now. I need to find it. Where do I find a spot? There we go. It's actually, I'm just gonna spot somewhere random. Wilmer. Hold on. They got a. Hold on. They got a Walmart. They have a Walmart. Oh, let's see. 26,400. Let's see how much we need to get a. Let's see how much we need to get in order to get a 75,000. I would rather get the Dorothy or Dominator one. Probably not the Tiv one, but even though I would like to get it. Tornado Puncher, it's somewhere in the between. Let me go get my car. The classic Mario Boys LTR 0. But the... Oh, wait, hold on. I'm just waiting for it to load. I got now for the real life one, for like the Bronco Interceptor I made, it's an LTR 0.1 or 2.0. Light tornado recorder. Oh my god. This one, LTR 0. Why is it always in Hazleton? It's 12:44 a.m. No. Oh, so right here. Skip the first. Go on next. Skip the first. Go on next. I can't see, bro. I'm trying to focus on two things. I like the color for the LTR 0. No. Hold on. Why is it dark all of a sudden? Yeah. Leave. We're gonna be going soon. El Reno, dude. Let's go. Okay, we're playing El Reno. Sorry for wasting 4 minutes of your time. Never mind. Texas, get up, Manitoba. Ooh, limited. Yo, we got El Reno. Hold on. Alright, we're back, okay. roleplay. Hold on. Let's go to roleplay. No, roleplay. No, reno. Filter replay. There we go. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Let's see who we can kill. This first was devastating town of Toronto, or Colby. He's in the Dominican. Where is everyone? Where's all the tornado choices? Where was it located? Texas? Are y'all in Texas? Jarrell. That's Jarrell. No, y'all are in Texas. Where are they? Manitoba? Is that where you guys are at? Where is everyone? Kansas? If y'all are in Kansas, I'll be so mad. Yeah, he's cooked. Oh, the tornadoes missed him. I like how it's so calm and I'm doing the most dangerous tornado on the planet of Earth. Actually, I don't like that. Oh, settings. Where is everyone? I'm pretty sure they're over here. What? Is that a wedge? Is that some type of tornado that isn't? Oh, we got a combination. Let's go. We got a big one. No, we don't got a type of rain. Greensburg. Morphs, tornadoes. Greensburg. A Greensburg tornado. Greensburg is a real place, I'm pretty sure. He's right in the core. They're dead. They died. You know, it's Greensburg. You're gonna die too. I don't think El Reno destroyed an airport, but I know they did. I narrowly missed the. Oh, that's what a normal reg looks like. Then compare it to mine. We're just doing El Reno tornado roleplay. Badge Morse. Oh yeah, I did special ES5 El Reno 2011. Yeah, I did. Wait, there's another El Reno. I found the owner. Now I got this one. El Reno. It's another El Reno tornado. So I didn't know they actually already happened. No, doing the El Reno tornado. I found the owner, so that's good. Engulfed. Yeah. I was thinking about killing Norton, but no. Let's go over here. Let's go to the overpass. Yeah. Oh, damn, I gotta